Do you ever want to quickly count how many cells in your Excel sheet actually have data in them? Numbers, text, or anything at all, but skip the blanks. Today, I will show you step by step how to use COUNTA formula to count all non-blank cells in Excel. Hi everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. In this video, we will learn how to use COUNTA formula in Excel to count non-blank cells. I will guide you through every step using a simple dataset so you can practice along with me. Here we have our dataset. Notice that some cells are blank. This is exactly why COUNTA is useful. Click on an empty cell where you want the result. Type this formula equals count A, start parenthesis, reference of the first cell of the range, full colon, reference of the last cell of the range, close parenthesis. Hit enter and the result. This tells us that there are 6 non-blank cells in the name column. Step 3. Count non-blank cells entries. Click on another empty cell, type the formula, press enter. Here we see 5 non-blank cells entries. COUNTA ignores the blank cells automatically. Step 4. Now count non-blank regions. Click on new empty cell, type the formula equals count A, start parenthesis, first cell reference of the range, full colon, last cell reference of the range, parenthesis close, hit enter. The result is 6. Again, COUNTA counts all cells that are not blank, whether text, number or formulas. And that's it. COUNTA makes it super easy to count all non-blank cells in Excel. Try it on your own data and see how many non-blank cells you have in different columns. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Skills Exceed and comment below which column in your dataset had the most non-blank cells. See you in the next video.